Good morning, YouTube. Over the last couple of years, I've tried so many different types of Bluetooth earbuds. One thing that is awesome is over the last few months, these earphones have started to get really good. I feel like there's almost no reason to spend $200 on true wireless earbuds when there are so many good options available for under 50. This is one of those options. These are the Blitzwolf BW-FYE1. Link is in the description. These are about $40 American on Banggood currently. I have been using these for several weeks and I'm very pleased with them. Lots of upside and very little downside. I have now been using these guys for nearly 2 weeks and they are fantastic. I am completely pleased with them. Sound quality, as I already told you, is great. Always fun to listen to music on this. The battery life is really good too. Easily go three hours, no problem, before you have to charge it. The case charges really fast, lasts a long time. I think it can do about 4 charges. It's very convenient to have LEDs to tell you how much power is left on the case. Very convenient to see that the earbuds are in there actually charging. You can tell when they're done charging. So convenient to use. And then they look really good. The connection has been solid. Staying in my ears is also no issue. I mean, none of these things are perfect. I don't think I've had one earbud that has never fallen out in any situation. I was on a stair climber machine at the gym and this left one fell out, but that was the only time that happened, and it's always the left one that falls out of my ear. So it could be more to do with the shape of my ear. You know, one of the things I really appreciate about these earbuds is that they don't have touch controls. There's an actual physical button here that you push, or push twice, or hold. I find this to work much better than touch controls because touch controls invariably have false activations. Sometimes when you are just adjusting the earbud in your ear or something like that, you know, you just you're touching your ear and you don't intend for the music to stop, but it stops. You know, which is very irritating. The reverse also happens where you don't intend the music to start and it starts. So with physical buttons, you never ever get that issue. No false starts or stops. And those false stops and starts happen so much with some of those touch earbuds that I can't stand them. Whereas this has an actual physical button. It's pretty easy to push in, and because when you're pushing it in, you can kind of hold your thumb against the bottom of the earbuds. That way, you're not pushing too hard into your ear, which can also be uncomfortable. So the good thing about touch controls is you don't push too hard in your ear, but you get false presses. The issue with physical buttons is you might be pushing too hard in your ear, but because this has this thing you can hold on to, it seems to work very well. I hold it with these 2 fingers and then push this button, and it pushes pretty easily. One other downside, which doesn't affect me so much, but might be significant for you, is that these aren't that good for phone calls. I used them for a few phone calls, and while I could hear fine, I could hear the audio, the other caller's voice coming out from both ears, they mentioned that my voice sounded a little muffled. So I don't know if these are ideal for phone calls. Your mileage may vary. This is a nice case. I mean, because it's glossy, it's kind of a fingerprint magnet. And this logo is kind of big. Blitzwolf right there. I think it'd be better if it was blank here and then had like a cool little logo right in the center there. Blitzwolf. I don't know why the I is lowercase there. Makes it look like Blitzwolf. Is that an uppercase I or a lowercase L? The only thing I would say would be awesome if they would change is if this was not micro USB to charge anymore. That's micro USB's done. I wish this was USB-C, and if they really wanted to make it awesome, they could have wireless charging added to the case. Like for the price that Blitzwolf sells these for, it'd be insane to spend $150 or $200 for earbuds. Kind of looks like a bird, no? What bird is that? A puffin? No, it's
What bird does that look like?
These are well made, they're durable. The case is kind of boring to look at maybe compared to other cases, and I don't like that it's black glossy plastic. Like if it was matte plastic, or that, you know, they could improve the material a little. Like these guys, the Hacky or the Habit ones that I really like, they don't have that glossy look, and the plastic kind of is a grippier plastic. So that would be, I'm really picking at it, but that would be it. I like these little wing tips. They really help stay in the ear. The size of the case is fine also. Easy to carry this case. You sometimes forget it's in your pocket. That's in the small pocket. If you put it in a bigger pocket, it's a little bit note. People might ask you if you're excited to see them. It's not bad. Could be a little bit thinner, but that's okay. So that's my thoughts on these guys. Fully recommend them. These are so good. Why would you spend $200 on earbuds when you can get this good quality for this kind of price? I don't get it. Thank you to Blitzwolf for providing these earphones for their review. If you would like to get them, a link is in the description. I definitely recommend them wholeheartedly. If you decide to give them a try, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of them. Okay, thank you for watching.
Oh, woodpecker! That's right, woodpecker.